pressures of life and it up. Now stay down, mama, time pick it up. Now bother with the down full style, strictly up full vibes. I pick it up when the bills and the rent and the mortgage due, yeah. Hey, no bother man, when your best friends are gone and it's only you, hey. Take up a book and listen music, skanking sweet. Everybody wanna be like me, forget your troubles and rock with me. You're not feeling reggae music sweet, yeah, yeah. Oh, skanking sweet, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Forget your troubles and rock with me, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, for every pain there's a melody, yeah. For every trouble there's a harmony that brings everything together. Oh, so make we sing together. And who said like the art? Oh, every man got his struggles. I'm begging you, help me, Lord. Oh, let me overcome my struggles. Oh, yeah. Oh, feel like me. Oh, rocking with me. Oh, feel, hey, hey. Oh, skanking sweet. Feel like me. Oh, oh, sweet, yeah, yeah. Oh,
Camperdown. I'm always excited when I look on the paper and I see Camperdown is next, because I know that Camperdown over the years has proven itself to be one of the best in this competition. The band was tight, the tone and arrangement was up like 7. The lead vocalist continues to be one of the best soloists that has ever graced the stage. That was sweet Skankin!
Yes, Camperdown, I could just say ditto to everything that Dennis said. When you have a good backup, you know, when you have a really solid backup with the right volume and right balance, it gives you the right vibe. And also, everybody seems so relaxed, and the harmony was correct, and the soloist just took it away. Very good work, very good work.
All right, Camperdown, you have to bring the medication for Dennis every time you come.
Yes!
I don't know. But I really love the performance. I loved how you guys sound. You always sound so nice. You blend so well. I'm going to give you a challenge, though. That when you work on these things, it doesn't become a soloist. By the way, you're awesome. A soloist and backup, but have the choir also be part of the solo, or let them be featured even more than how they're being featured now. But good job.